If you're someone who loves pasta but is often pressed for time, this Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker with strainer lid is your new best friend in the kitchen. Designed to make cooking pasta quicker, cleaner, and more convenient than ever before, this innovative kitchen gadget is a game changer for busy individuals, small families, college students, and anyone who values efficiency without compromising on quality. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker's key features, benefits, and why it deserves a place in your kitchen. Whether you're in a dorm room, office, or looking for an easier way to prepare meals at home, this microwave pasta cooker is ready to revolutionize your cooking routine. Why you'll love the Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker with strainer lid? This microwave pasta cooker is packed with features that make preparing pasta, vegetables, and even soups an absolute breeze. Let's dive into what makes this product so special. Time is of the essence, and the Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker knows that. Gone are the days of waiting for water to boil and spending extra time draining pasta. Here's how it works. Fast cooking. This pasta cooker can cook your favorite pasta varieties, spaghetti, macaroni, fettuccine, and more, in just 10 to 15 minutes. Simply add your measured pasta and water and microwave it. Yes, it's that easy. No need for boiling water. Unlike traditional stovetop methods that require you to wait for water to boil, this microwave pasta cooker eliminates that waiting time. You can prepare a fresh serving of pasta in a fraction of the time. Quick straining. The built-in strainer lid lets you strain the pasta directly after cooking, so there's no need for an additional colander or draining process. It's a one-stop solution for your pasta cooking needs. The Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker is not limited to just spaghetti. It offers versatility in terms of what it can cook, ensuring you can enjoy a variety of dishes in no time. Wide pasta compatibility. Whether you're craving spaghetti, macaroni, lasagna noodles, fettuccine rotini, or even egg noodles, this cooker has you covered. It accommodates a wide range of pasta types, making it ideal for different tastes and preferences. More than just pasta. Aside from pasta, this microwave cooker is also great for cooking small servings of soups, vegetables like broccoli, frozen ravioli, tortellini, and more. It's perfect for quick meals and snacks throughout the day. Health-conscious consumers will appreciate that the Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker is made from BPA-Free food-grade PP material. It's microwave safe, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food while cooking. Safe for you and your family. The BPA-free material ensures that your food remains safe and free from harmful chemicals, making it an excellent choice for families, seniors, and anyone looking to reduce exposure to toxins. Dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. The cooker is both dishwasher safe and easy to clean by hand with soap and water, meaning you can enjoy your meal without worrying about a complicated cleanup process. Designed with convenience in mind, the Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker is perfect for those with busy schedules who need quick, easy, and delicious meals in a hurry. Great for college students and offices. Whether you're living in a dorm or working late at the office, this microwave cooker allows you to prepare a fresh, satisfying meal with minimal effort. Quick pasta for small families and minimalists. If you're part of a small household or living on your own, the Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker offers the perfect solution for preparing smaller portions of pasta or other dishes without the need for bulky pots and pans. The Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners or those with little cooking experience. The included measuring tool ensures that you add the perfect amount of pasta and water every time, taking the guesswork out of the equation. Hassle-free cooking. You don't have to be a professional chef to use this cooker. Simply measure, microwave, and strain, and you're done. No need for complex recipes or fancy equipment. Strainer lid for convenience. The strainer lid makes draining your pasta easy. Just twist the lid to strain, and you're good to go. It's a great way to simplify the cooking process and minimize kitchen clutter. If you have any leftover pasta, you can store it directly in the cooker. The Potahouse Microwave Pasta Cooker is perfect for keeping cooked pasta fresh in the fridge, so you can enjoy it later without needing to transfer it to another container. Keep leftovers fresh. The microwave-safe design allows you to store your pasta in the same container used for cooking, making meal prep and storage incredibly convenient. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.